Well, to health now, and new figures show that 6 women every day in the North East are admitted to hospital with breast cancer linked to alcohol. It adds up to an increase of 13% in the last 5 years.
Well, doctors are urging women to stick to safe drinking levels and are also warning patients who have survived breast cancer that drinking too much can increase the chance of a recurrence. Our correspondent Rachel Bullock spoke to one woman who's urging others to beware the dangers.
I can't bear the thought of being told I've got this cancer again. I really can't. I really hope it doesn't happen. But if it does, then I can't have it being down to something that I've done. That would just be unbearable.
Janet Forster was diagnosed with breast cancer after her very first routine mammogram in November last year. Since then, she's had a mastectomy, radiotherapy and chemotherapy. A year on, and she's thankfully now tumour-free. But she, like 2/3 of breast cancer patients, was shocked to learn of the link between alcohol and the disease. Terrified of a recurrence, she now sticks rigidly to safe drinking guidelines.
Well, I'm not going to beat myself up about the cancer that I've had because it wasn't directly linked to alcohol. And who knows if it made it any worse. But what I think I will do, I will definitely make sure that I have dry days. And I will, if I've had a large glass of wine with my dinner, think twice about, do I want the next one?
In the last 5 years in the North East, there's been a 13% increase in alcohol-related breast cancer. That means every day in the North East, 6 women are admitted to hospital with breast cancer that is linked to their alcohol intake. And in the highest risk category, those aged 45 to 54, there's been a 15% rise in the number of women whose breast cancer is connected to their drinking. Dr. Wendy Carr is a breast physician at North Tyneside General Hospital. She sees firsthand the steady increase in alcohol-related breast cancer.
I think genuinely patients are very surprised. 2 out of 3 women don't know of the link between alcohol and breast cancer. The evidence shows that the less you drink, the more you reduce your risk. However, as you said, from the cardiovascular point of view, sometimes a little bit of alcohol is beneficial. So we're not saying don't drink at all. We're saying take care, think twice about the amount of alcohol that you're drinking, and just try and moderate your alcohol intake, particularly at this time of year.
Advice Janet carefully follows and hopes others will too. Rachel Bullock, ITV News, Tyneside.
And still with health.